No matter what I do, these horns will not go down. This is probably so dumb. All right. What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, and we're in the middle of Amazon's Big Spring Deals event, which is usually, you know, nothing crazy. But I did find about 20 deals that are actually worth being shown off if you're in the market for some new tech gadgets or just, you know, gaming tech in general. Stuff that we usually show off on the channel. Found about 20 deals that I think are worthy of your attention for you guys today. So if you want to check it out, I'll put it for you in the description down below. Hop right in here. So first off, from Sennheiser, we have their HD 599 SE open back for just $100. Now guys, listen to me. Sennheiser is in the middle of being sold. So the legendary audiophile company that is Sennheiser is going to most likely degrade significantly once they get purchased by someone else and they realize they can cut corners, and the quality is going to go down tremendously. So hop on Sennheiser deals while you can. If you have been in the market for new headphones, get them now before they all change for the worse. These, the legendary cans, the 599 SE open back, just $100. I think it's a really, really good deal. And I mean, usually you see you can find them around $100 if you go back for a few years now. That is the majority of the big, you know, deals and the savings here. You can find them for between $140 to $190 when they're not on sale. But like I said, buy them while you can because Sennheiser is about to change for the worse, unfortunately. Definitely worthy of being checked out though. And also I saw these, what I thought was actually what I should have purchased last year. I have the Sennheiser IE100s. They are wired, but they actually make a wireless version of their very popular IEMs for just $100. So definitely a good deal on that. And it's for all three colorways: the translucent red, the black, and then the clear model, which is what I have wired. But again, you're saving about $40. Usually these wired ones, you can see $135, $150, $120. So with the sales event now down to $100, definitely worthy of being checked out. Another great audio deal. It's funny, when I do these videos, there's typically a lot of good audio gadgets on sale. So we got some audio stuff for you guys today, in addition to some other things, obviously. The DJI mic mini set. You get two mics plus the little receiver or the transmitter there, which you can control everything on the fly. $58 for this is just insane. The regular retail price of $80 is really good considering it's two mics. So this is gonna be great for podcasting, if you're doing like interviews, something like that, where you're filming, or if you just wanna have, you know, if you're streaming and one dies and you pop on the next one, you'll be good to go. Really good bundle for $58. Again, the usual price for these, you can see, is gonna be around $79, $59 at drop back in February, $79, $80. So $58. Really, really good for wireless mini, very tiny microphones. Now, we just had the Razer Viper V4 Pro release. So you can get the older V3 Pro SE model, which is limited to just 1K hertz. If you're fine with that, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars. You can get the V3 Pro SE for just $69. Crazy good price for that Viper shape. Just did a review on the V4 Pro, so check that out if you haven't already, if you wanna see what's new and what all that extra $100 will get you a difference. But if you're on a budget and you game at 1K hertz, here you go, $70 for the V3 Pro SE. And just to show you guys, if you do want the 8K hertz of last year's V3 Pro, even 120 is not too bad. But I mean, compared to pretty much half that at, you know, $70, really good mouse for that price. Now, Fantic's always got some great gadgets. I love whatever they're putting out, and check this out. This is a digital laser tape measure. Got a little display there for you guys. So it's not only like a physical tape measure there with a little unit, you also have the digital laser here, which is gonna be great for measuring rooms or things that really exceed the length of the actual tape measure. This down to just $59. Retails on here, it says for $100. As you guys know, I've teamed up with Fantic a bunch in the past. So while $60 is good, if you use code Frank A10, you'll get an extra 17% knocked off to bring this just down to $50. So it'll be 50% off. Use the code, get it to 50. And you can see like what I say, $90 typically, $70. $100, $70, $100. So the price fluctuates. This is definitely going to be the lowest you can get it at for just $50 with that code. And again, a really cool gift idea for, like, you know, I mean, Father's Day is coming up in a few months, but it is a cool tech gadget. I feel like really anybody could take advantage and use something like this, considering how versatile it is. The fact that it's that 2-in-1 with the digital and the actual tape measure there. You can see your measurements on the fly. You can have them all saved, so it records your measurements. Yeah, a really cool gadget here for half off. Now, there's not a lot of good, PC hardware deals. Those are usually saved for the Black Friday, the Cyber Mondays, the July Prime days. But there are like 2 or 3 PC gaming deals that I found highlighted for their big spring sale. With the Ryzen 9 7900X, 12 core, 24 threads on sale for just $268, only 15% off, but you see what it usually is. $313, $308, $309. It was down to $270 last month. So an extra $3 off what the cheapest it had been. And interestingly, if you want to go back the last year, even to like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this wasn't on sale. It was still $320. So you are saving some money. If you want to be building a new PC right now, times are tough, but we got an option for you here. And then a higher end model with the Ryzen 9 9900X. Still 12 cores, 24 threads. And again, going down to show you guys, right here, 314, where it's usually around 350 to 360. Also going back to around Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this was also not on sale, whereas the lowest price during those holiday months was $362. So you're saving an additional $50 off if you're in the market for a new CPU for your build. And to go along with those, I did find 2 coolers that are on sale for a decent price. NZXT has their Kraken Elite 240 AIO. This is the last gen model from 2024. So you have the 2 120mm fan support for it to be the 240 rad here. The customizable screen, it's bigger than the last gen models. They do have different sizes on sale as well, but this one has the biggest savings. It's also the cheapest, down to $150. If you do need a 280, that is just an additional $10. But it's not as big of a savings, only 16% versus this model, 42%. So a much bigger savings gap here. And again, could be a good option if you need to cool that CPU. And then Corsair also had one worthy of being shown off with their Nautilus 360 RS. So a larger 360 model here, white and black. The black model is not really on sale, it's $160, whereas the white model, same size, down to $110. So yeah, again, giving you guys some options, some alternatives here, just seeing what was on sale. Not a lot of tech or PC gaming tech, really, hardware on sale during this made up spring event, but at least these coolers aren't too bad of a deal. Now, for PC gaming, if you need a new keyboard, EvoMaker has their HE68 Lite, an 8K Hall effect rapid trigger keyboard, adjustable in 0.01 millimeters. Nice, compact, 68, it's a 65% layout, 68 key. It's gonna, rival the Wootings out there, but much, much, much cheaper. EvoMaker has some good budget stuff. Snap key, SOCD, 5 layers of sound dampening for just around $40 for this white model. If you want to kind of mix and match it to your setup visually, they have a black and red model, which is $37, and an all black at $40. But the white looks really clean, or just go the all black for $40. Really good deal there for a Hall effect, super fast gaming keyboard on a budget. Monitors, the MSI Mag 274QP, a QD OLED monitor here. So it's gonna be 27 inches, 2560 by 1440p, and you get 240 hertz with adaptive sync. So pretty good specs for around $380. If you have an old 27-inch monitor where you're still rocking at maybe 1080p, or it's, a 60 or 90 hertz panel, upgrade that. All right, you got the times are changing. 240 hertz, QD OLED, and what's this usually? Usually around $400. You can see in the past, versus the last month since this launched 111 days ago, the lowest it's been was $450, then $429. So an additional about $50 off that for $385. Moving right along, another good Fantic deal. Again, I always feel like they're just the king of like gift ideas. Father's Day, your dad's birthday, anything like that, they'll appreciate it. With the S1 Pro electric screwdriver, we've showed this off on the channel before. It's got 16 steel bits, 3 different torque settings, a 2000 milliamp hour battery inside, an LED at the front, so you can see what you're, screwing, drive it in there, illuminates it nicely, and it's all kept in the magnetic container here. So really nice. Great for the DIYers, down to $50, but again, since we've showed this off on the channel, we do have a coupon. You can get an additional 20% off to bring this down to 56% total, which will be just $39 with Frank PS1. Again, code Frank PS1 will knock an additional $10 off of this, which is already a really good deal, to $39 with the Nex S1 Pro electric screwdriver. Really good bundle. Now, I'm more of a analog regular watch kind of guy, but $107 for the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch here. It is a 44 millimeter face, stainless steel, and you can swap out the band if you're not a fan of the camo, but down to $107 versus $150. Frank, is that actually a deal? Well, usually it's $150. It was down to $130, $160, $170, $160, down to $107. And actually, before I started filming this, the all black model, I believe, was closer to $90 if I want to double check. It was $78. So I'll put both of these down below because odds are this will come back in stock or that deal will reignite because the spring deal goes until the next few days. So this isn't, over. If it comes back in stock for $78, then absolutely hop on that. Like I said before, with Sennheiser going out of business, this is the lowest price I've ever seen their momentum for wireless noise canceling headphones. This deal is pretty much just for the all black and copper model here. You see they do have other colorways, but those are not honoring that $199 price point here. 56% off. Usually $550 list price. But yeah, if you travel a lot, you want a good pair of over-the-ear wireless headphones, then here you go. And to show you guys, check out this price history chart. I mean, they were down to $179 technically for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so that was a good deal there. But look at the last 3 months, we've got a bit of a road bump. Pretty crazy price jump every other day from 260 to 280 to 260 to 280 to 270, up and down, up and down, up and down. How about 199 and call it a day? Sennheiser, please be sold to a good company. I will forever love and miss you. A little sneak peek at a cool gadget from an upcoming episode of Cool Tech Under 50. That will be next week. We have their Anker Smart Display Charger, a 45-watt fast charging brick here, and it has a little screen. And what's cool about that little screen is it'll show you, the phone you're charging, the current percentage it's at, what the current wattage is. And there's different like charging modes. You can have it do like an auto charge or a care mode, which will prioritize like your battery's longevity and the temperature and stuff over time. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little gadget. Comes in 4 different colors. I have it in black, and again, the little screen there, just a little added extra bonus. Again, shows you your current wattage, just current battery percentage of your phone. Could even identify, the certain phones and stuff, which is pretty cool. So just $27 for a super tiny charging brick. Usually around $35, I want to say I bought it for. 29, 35, or 39. Came out just 2 months ago. So $29 is actually what the sale price typically is. Hey, you could save $2 today. All right. It is a cool charger. And then for a much bigger charger, literally 28,000 milliamp hours, 100 watts, 2,000 watt peak charging, a solar power bank. I actually did buy this, as you can see, back in November. This will also be featured in an upcoming episode of Cool Tech Under 100. Just if you need a big old power bank for your laptop on the go, or if you maybe deal with frequent power outages, this guy's got all your plugs, 7 output ports. You have 2 ACs, one like the little the DC 60 watt for your laptops and stuff, 2 Type Cs, 2 Type As, display there to show you your current battery percentage. You can charge your phone 7 times. You can power LED lights for a whole day. It'll charge your laptop for over an hour. Yeah, lots of stuff here, and it's really not even that big. You know, it's pretty compact, all things considered. It looks big when you see it like that, but it's actually really not. It's much more compact than you would think. For just $70, pretty good for close to 30,000 milliamp hours for it being a beast of a charger. Then winding down, I will definitely say, hell yeah, this is a good deal. $160 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wireless outdoor cameras plus their video doorbell. So they usually will have these deals for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Prime Day, where it's like 3 cameras. I haven't seen 5 wireless cameras plus the doorbell for $165. Definitely pretty good. The usual listing price is $360. It was down to $200 in February. It was down to $140. It was down to $150. So again, it's not even the biggest deal that it's been at longevity wise. I've never seen it this low though. I've never even seen this deal in general, but hey, if you want to maybe wait an additional few months where maybe it'll be $140 again, then here you go. If not, if you need it, then it's $165. Now the Apple AirPods 4, these are the renewed premium, which is pretty much like their, refurbished like new sort of deals on the AirPod 4. But renewed premium means it's essentially an Amazon return where maybe the box was open and they weren't even used. So you can get AirPods 4 practically like new for 20% off down to $120. I've never seen renewed premium before because they have different tiers to their renewed, but this means it literally comes with everything. The box was just probably opened, or maybe it wasn't even open. Maybe it was just purchased by accident and returned. So they call it renewed premium. Save some money on practically a brand new pair of AirPods. But I would also be remiss to not talk about one of the best deals of all time. I've talked about them ad nauseum, the Nothing Ear A. These are my go-to wireless earbuds. On the go, I'm always using these. I always travel with these. The launch price of $110 was worth it, pretty much half off now for just $60.58. They come in the clear black, the clear white, which I own, and the yellow. I absolutely love these. They have made, I want to say, either 2 or 3 models since, but I'm still rocking with these. They sound fantastic. They're super customizable in the app. Yeah, absolutely love these. It's been 2 years now, May 8th, 2024. I showed these off so many times. If you haven't bought them by now, what are you doing? And then lastly, I thought a little gadget that would be cool. If you have like an older car and you want to upgrade it with CarPlay, you have a 9.2-inch wireless CarPlay screen and system you can add to your dashboard, and it also comes with a little camera. Now what's cool about this for just $80 is, and again, if you watch the channel, you've known the little hacks that I've done with these, you could still use this CarPlay screen at your setup and now use it, when you're at your setup, tether it to your phone wirelessly and, have it control Spotify, have it be a dedicated Spotify player. Pop up and, have some apps on there, your messages, where if you're gaming, you just want a big screen to show your messages on Spotify and control all that. Then boom, you have it for $79. Use it in the car or use it at the setup and now have a fully dedicated screen. So, all right guys, about 20 big spring deals. About 20 big spring deal event tech deals for you. Again, it's their made up little holiday in spring to move some inventory, but some good stuff, all things considered. Some of the things we've seen at all-time lows, some will fluctuate every now and then, every month, every few weeks, but all things considered, decent tech deals for you guys. If you're in the market for anything I showed off, hopefully this video helped you out and it'll help you save some money on some stuff that maybe you've been after. So like I said, all listed for you guys in the description down below so you can check it out. If you liked this video, if you found it useful and you bought something, give it a big thumbs up, show your support. Feel free to follow me on all socials at randomfrankp. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good day.